Okay, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to snap your fingers. Like this, right? So, you put your middle finger on your thumb, like this, right? And then what you have to do is that you basically slide your middle finger over your thumb like this, kind of, right? So it does like this, right? However, that is not the difficult part about this, right? Basically, there isn't a video that you're gonna watch and you're gonna be able to do it right away. It's gonna take some time, right? And you have to understand that it's just gonna take some time, and just be patient. Don't get frustrated over it, because there's no reason for you to get frustrated over it. Because then, if you don't get frustrated over learning it, you're more likely to actually learn it. Also, take breaks so you don't get frustrated, and just you have to realize that it takes some time to learn it, and yeah, maybe listen to some songs while doing it. Or watch some videos so it's not as frustrating or whatever. And whenever you're not having fun, just stop, because and then just take a break and then pick it up again, right? Because then you're more likely to come back, and if you don't take a break, then you're less likely to come back and more likely to quit.